Hello students, today we will study about the indicators and the pH value. Okay, um, before starting the pH value, if we talk about indicators only, so indicators like they are used to in chemistry if we are talking about. Then if we talk about litmus paper, blue litmus paper, when it is dipped in acid it turns red, and red litmus paper when it is dipped in a base it turns blue. Okay, so this litmus paper it helps us to identify whether the liquid out of the two given liquids which is a base and which is an acid. Okay, so see here the term indicators are weak organic compounds which change color in accordance with the pH of the solution. Here we have to study the pH. Okay, indicators dissociate slightly in solution producing ions and undissociated molecules. They will produce ions and such molecules which remain in undissociated state. The color of the ions produced it depends upon the hydrogen ion concentration. pH is actually it is the hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, if we talk about pure water is neutral. Pure water it is neutral, it is free from any type of ions in it. It will only have H plus and OH minus ions, and that too in equal number. Okay, pure water it is neutral and ionizes very slightly to yield equal number of H plus ions which show acidic nature and hydroxyl ion which shows basic nature. If H plus and OH minus ions are equal, it means the liquid is neutral, and yes, we are talking about pure water here. Okay, second point, the concentration of H plus ions and OH minus ions are both equal to 10 raised to the power minus 7 mole per decimeter cube, that is at 25 degrees Celsius. So the concentration of H plus ion and the concentration of OH minus ion, both the concentrations they are equal to 10 raised to the power minus 7. So the product of the two ionic concentrations, if we'll calculate out the product of the two ionic concentration, that is a product of the concentration of H plus and OH minus ion, then Kw for water. Okay, Kw means for water, it is equals to ionic product of water. Kw ionic product of water, it is equals to concentration of H plus ion and the product of OH minus ion, the concentration of H plus ion and the concentration of OH minus ion. So the concentration of H plus ion, it was 10 raised to the power minus 7 into, it is also 10 raised to the power minus 7. It means Kw or ionic product of water, it is 10 raised to the power minus 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. When an acid is added to aqueous medium, suppose we'll add an acid to aqueous medium, then obviously the H plus ion will increase. It means the to above 10 raised to the power minus 7, and at the same time OH minus concentration will decrease. If we'll add acid to it, it means the H plus ion concentration in water it will increase, and the concentration of OH minus it will decrease to below 10 raised to the power minus 7. The pH value, it represents the strength of acids and alkalis. Like litmus paper was just used to identify whether the given liquid is an acid or a base. pH value, it is used to represent the strength of the acid and alkalis. That means how strong the acid is or how weaker the acid is or the alkalis are. Okay, strength means whether the given acid it is a strong acid or a weak acid, or the whether the given alkalis are strong alkalis or weak alkalis. Okay, so the strength, if you have to calculate, of acids and alkalis, this we can do by the pH paper. It is expressed in the terms of hydrogen ion concentration. Concentration of hydrogen ion. pH is defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 minus log base 10 of the hydrogen ion concentration It is expressed in moles per liter. So pH is equals to minus log base 10 H plus ion concentration, and pH for pure water, it is 7. See, pH is 7. If it is 7, it means the liquid is neutral. If pH is less than 7, it means the liquid is acidic. And if pH is more than 7, the given substance is basic in nature. If it is neutral, means H plus ions, they are equal to OH minus ion. The concentration of H plus ion and the concentration of OH minus ion, it is equal. They are neutralizing each other. Then the liquid is neutral. It will have pH 7. If H plus ions are more in number than OH minus ions, H plus ions are more, it means the liquid is acidic. Its pH will be less than 7. And if OH minus ions are more in number than the concentration of H plus ions, if the concentration of OH minus ion is more, then the substance will be basic in nature, having pH more than 7. Okay, thank you class.